Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine. We'll cover the basics of creatine supplementation, from choosing the right type to understanding dosage. Creatine can significantly enhance your athletic performance and muscle growth when used correctly. It's a well-researched supplement, but proper usage is key to maximizing its benefits and ensuring safety. Let's dive into the details. Many people choose to start with a loading phase to quickly fill their muscle creatine stores. This typically involves taking about 20 grams of creatine per day, split into 4 doses of 5 grams each. You'll do this for about 5 to 7 days. While not strictly necessary, it can help you see results faster. Remember to mix it with plenty of water.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on creatine helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing your workout tunes or setting timers for your creatine doses. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your loading phase is complete, or if you skip it, you'll move to a maintenance phase. This means taking a consistent daily dose of 3 to 5 grams of creatine. The exact timing isn't critical. You can take it before or after your workout, or even at another time of day. Consistency is far more important than timing for long-term benefits. While creatine is generally safe, staying well hydrated is absolutely essential. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Listen to your body. If you experience any stomach upset, try reducing your dose or taking it with food. Some users prefer to cycle off creatine periodically, but continuous use is also common and generally safe for healthy adults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.